could get a medium Americano. Thanks. I'm tired of this unsightly concrete.
Are you tired of unsightly concrete?
Yeah, that's what I just said. But it's going to cost a fortune to jackhammer it out.
Well, why pay when you can overlay? At Pavescapes, we lay our beautiful 1-inch pavers right over your existing concrete. We quickly and carefully lay down every paver with perfection. Next, we wet it down, polish it up, and voila! You have a gorgeous new driveway in just a day.
Wow, you're good at that.
Of course I am. At Pavescapes, we're pros. Another job well done. So if you have unsightly concrete, call Pavescapes today.
Do it! Pavescapes did a great job, and I love my new driveway. And now I'm going to go and buy about 20 new pairs of shoes with all the money I saved.
Why overpay when you can overlay? Call Pavescapes today.